Hello viewer, I was facing the hosting IP blocked. Like my hosting IP is with hosting IP, I cannot access my hosting IP like control panel like VPS. So how I solve this issue? So like I am using VPS, so I cannot access the IP. So the issue is I was using several email like mail 10 mail I am using in Android mobile. So this one email single like 15 minute or 20 minute hit the server. Any new email come or not? So one email hit per 10 minute or 20 minute. So per hour one email 2 or 3 requests send the server. If I 10 email, so 10 email per hour 20 to 30, 20 to 40 requests sent our server. Then hosting or auto detection automatically block this your IP. You cannot access your hosting. That's why I have solved the issue by all business email delete from my mobile, all business email delete from here. The solution has been taken. So how I handle the 10 email, 10 business email? So I am making the system. So the system is here. Check. This is business email controller. So my dashboard is here. In my own application I have implemented completely free for you, so you can use if 10 or 20 email, so you can use here. So any email comes the others, like one email come here, you can check this one page, only this one page, like this page you will click, this page will show you. This is another space email means this email. So one email come here today, so another is support bc mean this email comes, one email comes this here. So all email in one page. If you 30 email, so you can show all email, any new email you can get it here. So you can 100 email, you can manage it one place, like unread email all email, like 40 email, any 40 email unread all email come at one place, so you can handle it easily. And also your server is not blocked, the hosting or any type server, you can never block your IP. So if you want to leave the server block solution, so you have to must remove the mail from your mobile, like mobile or any type email provider. So this email provider automatically hit your server after 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So you would use this type application here. When you page reload, only this time they hit your server, never this server in this application never hit your server any other time. When you like in the morning or night, I am checking any new email comes, so any offer new comes, so I can check it here, otherwise no need to check. Or also this application never hit your server. When you hit this, only this time this server, this system hit your server. So you can use this system, like I am deleting this. So I am deleting this unread email. So check from one place I can manage all email. So best of luck. So unread email I can solve it. So any solution, if you need this step solution, you can contact me. I will provide you the better solution, the 100% better solution.